today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a squat. Now everybody's range of motion is different, so some people's squats aren't as deep as others, and that's okay. But just these three little, 3 or 4, or I'm not sure how many, 4 tips are going to help you squat better and squat with intention to strengthening your legs and your glutes. So when you squat, whether it's a sumo squat, a narrow squat, wide squat, you want your knees to always follow your toes, whether they're out, forward, and you want to make sure you push your butt back. So when you go to squat, you're going to push that butt back, making sure your knees stay in line with your toes. You don't want them to come in, and as you come up, you're going to pelvic tilt and squeeze your butt cheeks. So what does that look like from the side? Strong core, push the butt back, knees following toes, come up and pelvic tilt in, squeezing the butt. And that is how you guys do a squat. Thank you.